Hey, what's up everybody? It's your girl Tiffany down. She got it going on. Yes, that is your bestie. Oni, your bestie is coming with the flawless face. Somebody better hashtag that. Let me come in. Let me just, y'all don't know. It's okay. Wherever Boaz is, he's coming. Well, I thought he was coming, but then COVID came. All the same. Anyhow, welcome to Tiffany's Closet. You already know what's up. It is episode 4, and I'm here to give you more. So follow me as we head to the door. Okay, we're here at the closet. So we're gonna come down and I'm going to this side. I just know it's a little safer. It's gonna be safe. This is the weave bag. We're still seeing. Oh no, that's just the thing. I thought it was a wild color. Wow. I don't have time for the wild colors today. Let me tell you how God favors me. Oh, hallelujah on today. We are going to do a wet and wavy style. But I want to do something a little bit different. Yes, bingo. So your hair bestie decided she was gonna go ahead and do a top knot quick weave. Okay, top knot quick weave. So I took some hair out because I wanted to leave the edges out. And so you'll see me just making those parts secure. It was a little difficult because I'm literally looking into the mirror, well, into the camera, trying to do all of this. So I'm using Gro-Protein Solutions, which is hair protection for bonding on weave. And this is what I am currently combing into the hair. So it's really sticky, as you can see. However, this includes natural ingredients, tea tree oil, aloe vera, and chamomile, which is super awesome. And instead of braiding it down, I decided to just put it into a low ponytail because the hair that I'm using is wet and wavy, and it will curl up and it will not show that little bump in the back. But if you want a smooth base, then you can do cornrows down so you can have a smoother, flatter base. So I'm just adding some more of this protection on because I really need to protect the hair that I have. Then I have to go under that dryer for a quick 2 minutes. In those 2 minutes, I decided, I'm gonna go ahead and braid down the front because I decided I want everything in. I didn't want any hair left out. And I'm putting on 2 caps. You may put 1 if you want because we already have the protective layer over there, but I really want the protection. And I decided to use 2 caps. Also, you can see I'm using brown because this is all we had in the closet. So thank you for that. I'm using the Got to Be gel from the black tube, and I'm gonna just put it around the perimeter and base that just to give an extra protection and make sure everything dries properly. I'm then going to add the Got to Be free spray, and that free spray was literally the last little bit I had. Child, it was crazy. but thankfully I had enough for this style. So I'm just spraying, and afterwards I'm gonna clip a little part for my ears to go through, so I know that it's sitting very nicely on the head. And I'm just going to continue to spray all around to make sure everything is dried properly. So I'm under the dryer for 3 minutes. Afterwards, I'll use my super hair bond glue, and I will cut the hair and stick it on to the hair cap, and then cut the remainder of that stocking off, making sure that the brown will not be seen, because usually people use black. Hey everyone, so these are the results, and I totally love it. I love it. So for those of you who know me, I have a sister. Her name is Janelle. She's the best in the world. This is definitely giving me a Genzo vibe because she usually wears her top bun, a really cute curly top bun with a, with the bottom out. So this is it. Again, really happy with the color, really happy with the results. I'm feeling like a sweeter ting, right? Your hair bestie has done it again, y'all. Like this ain't a joke. But now it's up to you to vote. So, what do you think? Peace. So it's time to vote, y'all. You tell your hair bestie. Are we gonna keep it or we're gonna sweep it? Is it fash or is it trash? You be the judge. Bye.